देख रहा सब्जेक्ट पर्सपेक्टिव मैनेजमेंट टॉपिक 14 प्रिंसिपल्स. Introduction. Every organization needs management. Their service and success of any organization depends on the quality of management. Some organization prepares and progress not only a good time but even during these times. The success or failure of any organization is greatly influenced by the management. It is visit of any organization to have dynamic and innovating managers. Definitions of management. According to management is art to getting things done through people. According to Henry Fayol, management is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to coordinated and to control. Characteristics of management. Management is a process, group activity, innovations getting. Fourth, result oriented. Fifth, as art as will science. Sixth, need not to be ownership. Seventh, dynamic in nature. 8, all provisions. Objectives of management. First, innovation. Second, cooperative image. Third, optimum use of resources. Fourth, motivation. Fifth, in absenteeism. 6, reduction in labor turnover. 7, better relations. 8, facilitate growth and exception. 14, principle of management. In 1916, Henry Fayol provided a list of 14 principles of management in the books of titled Industrial and General Administrations, and Fayol stated that all managers in all organizations, whether larger or small, to the 14 principles. First, division of work. The work in organization must be division among the individual and development. Individual of work needs of specialization in returns the improvement in quality, increase in quantity and relation in cost. Specialization also leads to innovation. Second, authority and responsibility. Fayol stated that there should be a balance between authority and responsibility. Authority is the power given to manager to take the decision, and responsibility is the more that authority a manager may feel frustrated. Third, discipline. Fayol started the need for the discipline in organization. Discipline needs to flow from top level to lower level of the organization. Discipline involves not only the rule and regulation for the organization, but more important, it involves application and dedication on the part of the management. Fourth, unity of command. A subordinate should receive order from only one superior. The subordinate should be report only to a superior. Lack of unity command create confusion and choose the organization. Fifth, unity of direction. Manager should be give some direction to all employees doing similar activities. In the absence of unity of direction, there would be the confusion among the employees. 6, subordination of interest. The interest of the organization should be a primary, and that of any employee or of a group need to be subordinated secondary. every employee or a group should be work in the interested to the organization and not for their own self-interest. Seventh, remuneration. Wages and salary should be a fair. More implement wages must be paid on the time according to fuel statement. They are that part from the financial benefit. Non-financial benefit be provided such as a good work condition, welfare facility required, etc. 8. Centralization. Fuel started the certain matters are to be centralized and other to be decentralized. There is a need to have a proper balance between centralization and decentralization. Scalar chain. It refers to the line of command which follows from top level to the lower level in the organization. Fuel stand that scalar chain needs to be followed but not at all time. He started that the scalar chain can be break in the situation so demand. 10th, order. Fuel stand that there should be the order in organization. He stand that there should be a place for everything and everything must be in its place again. There must be a place of everyone and everyone must be as placed. 11th, 11. Equity. Equity means a social justice. All member of organization should be a give a fair and justice, dramatic and transparent, etc. It to be avoided. Health. Stability of tenure. Employees should not be a kept temporary for a longer period of time. Employees should be given part of job so that they do not have leave the organization. 13th, initiative. The superior must sacrifice has to encourage and inspire those under him. Show initiative. Subordinates should be given freedom to come with suggestions and ideas. 14. Speed the chorus. The superior must be encourage spirit the chorus among his subordinate. It is the team spirit that result in loyalty, dedication and commitment of the employees. Thank you.